Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. TS Galaxy 2, Spear 0. I'm joined by Innocent.
Steve,
Yeah.
I'm very happy, Steve.
Very happy, my brother.
Very happy, Steve.
Yeah.
That I say keep ready.
Yeah.
I say go achieve.
Yeah.
Little team is to assist this bonus.
Yes.
So much, Steve.
Yeah.
Who's in final?
Yeah.
It's going to be TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
This is Kazri.
Yeah.
Kona last, Steve. And then it's gonna be a sold out, Steve.
MP Dad.
Fully packed.
MP Dad.
Fully packed.
Yeah. Sengikhalele namathi ngalakusasa.
Straight. Yeah.
Man of the match namhlanje njalo.
Mahlambi, Steve.
Umahlambi ne.
So good.
Mahlambi quality nje. Yo, bengimpekelele ngihleli la phezulu.
Ne.
Awumnandi.
Steve, he's so good. Steve.
Yes.
That dribbling
Yeah.
and also Steve.
Yeah.
Decision making.
Yeah, it is making.
That decision making, Steve,
Yeah.
is very good.
It is making yakhe ngikhumbuza eyaShabalala. Umduduzi Shabalala.
Steve.
Original Shabalala. Original
Steve. Decision making. Mahlambi is the opposite of Dushabala.
Yeah.
It's the opposite, Steve.
Yeah.
Omunye uza right,
Yeah.
omunye uza wrong, Steve.
Yeah.
Yes, Steve.
Next game ucanga ukuthi kuzokora bani njalo?
Mahlambi.
Umahlambi.
Straight.
Kanti jezi number 1 Umahlambi.
27.
Njayami.
27.
Uzoyeka le 20,000 yeNedbank. 27,000. 20,000 or even 2,000. Mawuzincintsha wena.
Straight, Steve.
Just take a personal loan
I'm
nje.
going to Steve.
Makakora la imani eyakho bhuti omdala.
Thank you, Steve.
Vuke emaqandeni.
Thank you, Steve.
Vuke emaqandeni.
Thank you, Steve.
Vuke emaqandeni.
Thank you, Steve.